Yes, hello viewers. This is Hash Forex once again. Today we want us to look at. We are looking at something very simple. We want to look at what we call the pending orders. The pending orders when you're putting in your orders in the market. Okay, so we have this market execution where you put your orders from. Maybe you want to buy or sell, and you say, I want to buy gold. This is gold. If you send new order, they'll give you market execution. Then there are also these other orders. These are pending orders. So with pending orders, we mean that you will not enter the market. The market won't put you in play unless you reach that price you have put. So when you're at market execution here, the market will put you in play there and then. So if I say right now that buy, if I say buy or sell, okay, if I say buy, you see that they will tell me my order is open and my buy order is here, okay. But then we have what we call the pending orders. First, we have the buy limit, we have the sell limit, we have the buy stop and sell stop. So when you're going to use one of these ones, consider this as we said the pending orders. Okay, you see when I click pending, when I click buy limit, when I click buy limit here, they are giving me a price. So I can't press the order unless I give a price that I want to buy at. Okay, so when I'm buying, that means if I'm using a buy limit, I want my market to first come down. I want my market to be like selling before I buy. So I'm like, me, I want to buy at this price, but the market is still up here. I don't believe that the market is just going to continue. It has to first come back down. So I'll put my buy limit here. So when the market comes down like this and reaches my buy limit order, it will be automatically activated. Okay. So if I try to put a buy limit on gold right now, let me say, we shall say, let me put it down there. So this is just an estimate. Okay, so we see here that I'm seeing buy limit gold. Okay, then it is not like this one. So it is an order that is pending. Okay, so when we come to the market, we open our market like this, we shall see that we have a buy limit order. We have a buy limit order here. This is the thing I've just put in, this one. So if this market comes back down, if these two lines come back down and they trigger this line, I'll be, I would have entered a buy. Okay, so it has to first come down for it to be triggered. If it just continues, that means my limit won't be triggered. So you can make it totally automated, that you put a buy limit, then you also put the stop loss and take profit. Okay, you put everything there. So for you, you know that unless my stop loss or this is hit, i'm still I'm still valid. Okay, so we shall put the stop loss and take profit also. You can edit them. So when you come to the market, you will have your stop loss and also you will have your take profit somewhere. So generally, when you're using a buy limit, it means you have to first come back down for you to continue. It is like when you're living at point A and you work from point B. You have to wake up and go to point B. But then there's a person you have to go with that lives at point C. That means you have to first come back, you have to go back to pick this person, then you go to work together. Okay? So you consider this one as your TP. Okay? So you have picked the person, then you went to work. That is the buy limit. Sell limit is the opposite of the buy limit. If we want to sell, We wait for the market. We are like, let the market first buy, let the market first buy, then our sell limit is somewhere above here. So we want to come back with the market. So these ones are used like the sell limit and buy limit are used like for reversing. The market has to first go down for the buy limit, then it goes up. That means it's reversed. For the sell limit, the market has to first go up, then triggers your sell limit somewhere, then it comes down. That is the sell limit. Then we have the buy stops and sell stop. For the sell stop, now this one is a continuation. Okay, the market right now, let me say right now it is selling. You see that it is going down. So if I want to use the sell stop, I'll put my sell stop somewhere here. I put it below the current price. Okay, so this market has to first, even if it goes up like this, I'm not triggered. But if it comes, triggers my sell stop, then it continues down. That is our sell stop. That you put in the direction you want to go in. Okay, that is our sell stop. It is a continuation. Let the market sell, trigger our sell limit, let the market continue. Okay, that is the sell limit. Then the buy limit, I mean, that is the sell stop. Then the buy stop, it is the opposite of the sell stop. So the market is buying going up like this. Our buy stop is somewhere here. It is triggered. Then the market continues up. Okay, that is our buy stop. In simple terms, you're living at point A, you work at point B. You have the person you're going with is at point C. So you just come, pick this person, then continue to the place of work. For the limits, you work at B, you live at A, the person lives at C. So you have to first go behind, pick the person, then you go to work. That is our pending orders. Then briefly, um, in our next tutorial, we shall talk about how to identify trends and so on and so on. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Um, we would like to, if you want to join our group, if you want to join the Hash Forex UG, please contact us. Contact us via WhatsApp. We have a WhatsApp group that runs. We will find that it will be beneficial. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Until next time, Hash Forex UG, be your best trader.